Hi, I'm Sherry and welcome to my channel. I thought I would share with you a bunch of mishmash planner goodies that I have been purchasing on and off for the last several months. I am behind due to some life things and my son having a destination wedding. Yes. So I haven't been filming as much, my apologies, but that's probably not why you're here. You're here to see what I bought. If you see something from the Etsy shops, go to the description box below and click those links. I'll put those up for you. And then I will also put my affiliate link for Erin Condren. So if you're new to Erin Condren, never used her, you can click my link and then you sign up and then you will receive a $10 off your first order coupon. And then of course I get a $10 kickback for referring you, so it's a win-win situation. And then after that you can refer your friends and make money too to spend on, yes, more planner goodies. Okay, so I have an Erin Condren order, an Etsy order, and then a couple different purchases of either Recollections or Create 365 Happy Planner stuff. Let's start with Erin Condren. Now, it's funny how these things work out. I had been thinking that, boy, I really need to order some things, the little accessories. I have a bunch of undated planners, and so I really wanted these date stickers, and I'm like, oh, Erin sells them. I gotta get these. So I did. I purchased 2 of those. And then I also needed another pen holder. These things are really nice. For my grocery binder. I'll link that video down below in case you are a grocery gal and you want to see how I do it. I need a pen holder because for whatever reason the new binder I bought doesn't have one. And then she will always include like a postcard and some stickers. And then the other thing I really have been looking at other people's are these colorful circle sticker packs. And what you do is on those calendars in the front and the back of your planners, I believe this will also fit Recollections, maybe Happy Planners too. You just kind of like dot out, so maybe your colors for purple or when the kids have vacation, like they say there. Well, I really like these. You get 3 sheets, one of kind of like the pinks and purples, one with the greens and blues, and then this one's kind of neat. It has silver, gold, and then the rose gold stickers. So that's nice. And then you can just at a quick glance see what's up and coming. So again, I'll put the link down below if you're new to that. If you're not new and you just happen to love Erin, I'm sure you guys have plenty of uses. So go ahead down below in the comment section. If you have other ways you use these, let me know because I'm new to these and I want to test them out. Now with the new planner that I ordered, I needed some more stickers. And I only ordered ones that are functional for me. I have plenty of other ones I get through the Happy Planner sticker packs and all that kind of stuff. But my husband travels a lot, ladies, a lot. And mostly by plane, but sometimes by car. And I didn't have any car ones. So I went to Plan Sticker Company and I ordered some more planes and then her cars. So we got numbers 219, 247, 242, and 246. I also was running low on payday stickers and I like these corner icons. So I picked up a set of those and grocery carts. These are always standard in my monthly layout. And then she also included a really cute little business card, and every time you order, she'll have these little heart stickers on her little sample thing here, and then when you get them all done, it looks like I get some free sticker sheets. That's always awesome. Again, links will be down below. And then, if you've watched my other Erin Condren videos, and I'll put the link down below for you, I have notebooks that, frankly, I just haven't been using because I haven't figured out how I'm going to do that, what I'm going to do with these things. And one of them was one from like 3 or 4 years ago. Yeah, I know, shocking. I just couldn't figure out what I wanted to do with it. I will show you what I'm going to be doing with it, but I needed these men-to-men car maintenance stickers, and so I ordered these, and her shop is called Polished Patterns. She gave me that cute little sample sticker sheet, and then I ordered these. Now you can get different types on here. I chose all icons, and I did the repositionals because I know my husband tends to put stickers down and then realize he doesn't want them in there, and then they're stuck. So I made sure he could move them around. These are pretty much for him, but I could also put them in my Erin Condren if need be. And again, I will show you in another video once I get that all here and figured out what I'm going to do with those. So look for those soon. And then, of course, I think most of us are familiar with the Happy Planner stickers. I have been using their holiday sticker book for quite some time. I'm kind of bored with it. I still have stickers, but I needed a change, and so I stood there, yes, forever, and went through all the different stickers, and I chose this one. This is the memory keeping holidays, but I really liked a lot of what's in here. Some of these might be too big, but you know what, folks, you can cut those down. No biggie. And then I also knew I was going to be doing menu planning, and I really like this cute little food one. So this is number 551, and this one doesn't have a number. But I picked these up. I never pay full price. I believe they were less than $10 with either sale or a coupon. So look for those. Michael's is a good place to get those. And way back in December, I had purchased these two planners. They were on discount. I'm really glad I wrote down what I paid because I don't always remember. This is stuck, so I didn't write anything down. This is an undated one. It does have dates and stuff. I picked this up for my daughter because she uses these little ones, and it's really cute. And if she doesn't use it, I can certainly find a use for it. Then I had hoped I was able to find one of the larger sizes of these menu things. This is Recollections with the ring, but sadly they didn't have any of them. So I picked this up. And again, I paid half price. I decided I'm going to put my Trim Healthy Mama stuff in here. Now, that's a whole nother video, but I will show you. I did write down a few things here. It looks like there's 26 weeks of a menu planning. Looks like there's 12 pages, so it must be double-sided, of the inventory, 48 recipe sections, stickers which are not food related. It's not dated. 12 favorite monthly meals list, and I can't read my own writing. Something with easy dinner and staples. I will show you more in depth of how I'm using this, and I've just started working on this, and then things got really crazy. What I want to be able to do is I'm going to be rotating these. I want to take the things that I had planned for 1 week and use that in my menu planning for myself and or my family, because a lot of these I can tweak to fit the family who does not do Trim Healthy Mama. And then I started making shopping lists so I would know offhand the things I must have in stock in order to create those meals, and then that'll help me plan faster. This is as far as I've gone. I think I started putting a few things in week 2. Yeah. But, I'll get there when, things settle down. Still have a second reception to do, so it's not happening yet. And my youngest son is graduating. So it's still crazy busy, but look for the new unboxing of the Erin Condren 2020 goodies that I purchased. They should be here very soon. Very, very exciting. I love the new pattern, and that's why I chose to go back to Erin Condren. I have been using Recollections, which I have no problem with. They're definitely cheaper, but I thought I'd splurge this year. So I will share with you all the goodies I have coming. Again, if you see some Etsy shops that you would like to take a look at, the links are down below. The affiliate link for Erin Condren is also down below. And again, if you have any ideas for me on how to use these circle dots, or if you have any like menu planning videos or ideas, please link them down below. I need a lot of inspiration, people. I got to get my life organized. All right. Until next time, you guys take care, and thanks for watching.